Okay, pie crust. 1 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of cold butter, or 1/4 cup of lard, either one. Then you're going to need 4 to 6 tablespoons of ice cold water. In a bowl, add flour and salt. Cook the butter or lard using a pastry blender or with your fingers until little crumbles. Add ice water 1 tablespoon at a time until dough holds together. Chill and divide the dough large or one top and one bottom. Divide the top one out larger than the bottom one. Okay, then you're going to wrap it with plastic and then put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Okay, for your filling, you're going to need 1 pound of chicken breast cut up and cubed and cooked until it reaches 165. 2 cups of fresh broccoli, florets, cooked for 10 minutes till tender. 1/2 cup of carrots, cooked about 10 minutes until tender. Okay, now you're going to make your gravy. You're going to need 4 tablespoons of butter. Let them melt. 1/2 cup of chopped onions. Let that cook for about 5 minutes. And then you're going to add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Let it cook for about 3 minutes. Then you're going to add 1 1/2 cups of chicken broth in with the flour. Pour slowly and whisk at the same time. Then you're going to have to pour in 1/2 cup of whole milk and whisk at the same time. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper to taste, and then you're going to add 1/4 paprika for color. 1/4 teaspoon of paprika for color. When your gravy is thick, take it off the heat. Then you're going to get your pie crust out of the refrigerator. Roll your dough out larger than your pie pan. You need a 9-inch pie pan. And then you're going to lay it in your pan. You're going to poke holes in the bottom. Bake it at 350 for 10 minutes. Take it out. Roll your top crust like a roll it out. Then cut it like a lattice up and down across when you put it together. Or you could just roll it out, put it in your pie pan, pour 5 little holes in it in the top, and then you're going to bake it for 25 to 35 minutes until top crust is brown. If it gets too brown while you're baking it, put a little bit of aluminum foil over top of it. I hope this helps. Thank you. But here it goes. Hope you like this recipe for broccoli, chicken, and gravy with vegetables. Thanks. Okay, this is part 2. Now you take your bottom pie crust, put it in your pie pan, then you add your filling, then put your top on and bake it at 30 to 35 minutes. After you bake your bottom part for 10 minutes. Thanks.